Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we are in Pocatello, Idaho at the Home2 Suites by Hilton property. I wanted to give you a peek at our room here because we love these properties for how spacious they are. Every room is a suite, and these rooms feel to me like apartments. You've got your little kitchenette area there, the bathroom. As you can see, these rooms are super deep and spacious and really great when you just kind of want to have room to live instead of just be stuck in a little room. So as you can see, a sitting area here, sofa folds into a bed. You can pull that drape to separate the room a little bit. You've got your television set and a desk. Again, just so much room. The 2 queen beds, and then as we come back here, just tons of storage space, drawers, and you've got this little closet back here where you've got your ironing board and your luggage rack and whatnot. Great place to hang things. Again, we're in Pocatello, Idaho. So we'll give you a little peek out here at the area. Idaho State University is here. So this is an excellent choice, literally just minutes from the college if you end up in town. There's also some great restaurants really close by to this property, which makes it nice as well. So again, you can see just how I love these rooms. They're just laid out so well, very clean, very well done. And the space just, it feels like you're in a little apartment. So you've got the kitchen area. And not only do they have all the appliances that you'll need, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, but they also furnish you with all of the utensils, plates, cups, dishes, whatnot. So this really does feel like home. You have everything you need to cook, store food. There's grocery stores nearby. So that just makes it really, really nice. Again, for family travel or if you're in an extended stay or whatnot, just so nice. And here's a peek at the bathroom. Again, very spacious, really well done. We just really like these properties and how they're laid out so nice for families. They just take really good care of you. Also, I want to mention that the breakfast here is included and it's really well done. So that's another way that you can get a lot of bang for your buck with these properties, because when you're feeding a family, free breakfast goes a long ways. I'm a big fan of that. So again, here is a look at the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Pocatello, Idaho. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.